Hi, my name's Simon and I'm here with Milwaukee to give you 5 things that you might not know about their cordless drills. The first one is a school of thought surrounding how you correctly tighten a drill bit in a chuck. The theory suggests that you wind the chuck back 1 click. That is a complete myth, and all you are listening for is a few audible clicks in the tightening direction to formally locate that drill bit in the chuck. The second thing that I want to talk about is one of the safety features that Milwaukee have introduced in their M18 4th generation cordless drills. The 4th gen cordless drills develop more power and deliver more performance than any drill previously. Just because they're small and compact doesn't mean they can't pack a truly astonishing punch. The safety system is called AUTOSTOP, and that's what I'm going to demonstrate for you now. So I've sunk the drill bit in as if it's bound up and locked up solid. If the user was to continue operating the drill in this scenario, there's a risk that they could cause themselves some injury because of the amount of torque that this drill develops. AUTOSTOP takes that threat away. Let me show you. Now, if you notice, my finger has not left the trigger. That is what makes AUTOSTOP different from other systems. The third thing I'd like to talk about is the one-key system. If you're in the market for buying a cordless drill from Milwaukee, it really is worth the additional investment of buying the one-key compatible version. The one-key system covers a whole host of different features, but it's the customization, the ability to tune your machine to your task, that is really exciting. We've seen the AUTOSTOP feature, that is tunable within one key. But there's a couple of other features, one of which I'm going to talk about now. So one of my favorite features in the one-key system is the ability to tune the trigger ramp up. Currently, the trigger ramp up is set to the shortest possible setting. That means the machine's going to accelerate to its maximum RPMs as fast as it possibly can. That's pretty instantaneous. If we slide the slider to the longest setting, well, you'll hear the difference. It takes much longer to accelerate to its maximum speed. That feature is really useful if you're in a situation whereby you need to start off very precisely with very low revs, but reasonably quickly accelerate to maximum power and maximum RPMs. For example, big timber fixings. The fourth thing to mention is the humble belt clip. Now, let's not overlook the small important features. These are the ones that often get used the most. The way Milwaukee's designed this is to be small enough to be convenient, big enough to be usable, and you can mount them on the side of the drill that suits right-handed people and left-handed people. The last thing to talk about is batteries. Milwaukee offer a vast array of batteries, and all M18 batteries fit all M18 tools. Now, biggest isn't always the best. Drills, for example, in my opinion, are better suited to a 3 amp hour battery, which is much lighter and more nimble than an 8 amp hour battery. Yes, it will fit, but the 3 amp hour battery will deliver perfectly adequate runtime and plenty of power. Thank you very much for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and comment down below what your favorite Milwaukee drill application is.